Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Happy Monday. It is Shawnee here and today I am going to talk about my micro locks to give you guys a 5-month update on where I am with my hair. But before I do that, I want to talk about some products that I love using for my personal hygiene and just things that I have been doing to, stay on top of my self-care regimen. So before I get into that video, I want to thank you all for watching. Thank you for visiting this channel. I'm Shawnee. I'm an assistant professor of social work. On this channel, I talk about all things related to self-care, self-compassion, healthy boundaries, and faith and spirituality, as well as success. And so if you are returning, welcome. And if you are new, welcome. To all who are watching, welcome, welcome, welcome. So I went to work today and I just said, you know what, while you have your face done, girl, let's just make this video. And then we need to get on our walking pad and walk for at least 1.5 hours today. So to all who watch this video, make sure you are getting some physical fitness in at least 3 to 4 times a week. All have to do the work. I have to do the work. I struggle with doing the work sometimes, but I want to let you know that we are all in this thing together. My beautiful lipstick today is brought to you by MAC Cosmetics, and it is called, guess what, Ruby Woo. Okay, it is the trend-setting lipstick, Ruby Woo, and so I ordered some over Christmas, and that's just what I use. My makeup is NARS, and I put a little bit of e.l.f. They have some new liquid blush. I tried that today. I never really use it, but I really like how the makeup came out. So let's get into these products, and then we are going to talk about my micro locks update. So I hope you've been looking at them. I'm trying to toss my hair a little bit because that's what I like to do. All right. So you guys watched that Shea Moisture video on the deodorant, and so I'm going to put up all 3 of those deodorants because I went back to buy, I think, 2 more. Plus I bought a Billy deodorant from Walmart. So we have the moisturizing Shea Moisture deodorant. This is 1. They have 3, and I think a full body like deodorant. This is fresh. Okay, this is fresh. And I'm not sure which one I talked about in my first video. This is even tone. Okay, so these deodorants smell like coconut. So if you are a person, you like to smell like coconut and like shea butter and all the good things that the girls love, like that Essence Festival, summer, let me go to Jamaica and be smelling good, looking good. This is going to add, okay, to your, this is something you want to add to your collection. This even tone smells like, it's soft, but it has a hint of something in it. I can't put my finger on it. But all of this has vitamin C in it. This is the even tone. It has vitamin C. And it's supposed to help you tone your underarm. Sometimes when you are, any of us, it doesn't matter what the ethnicity is, we can all deal with hyperpigmentation. But I do know that women of color often deal with hyperpigmentation. I definitely deal with it. If I take this makeup off, you're going to see black spots here, there, or brown spots. They come, sometimes they get black and sometimes they get brown. It just depends on my exposure to the sun. But this is supposed to help you tone the under parts of your arm. So if you're dealing with hyperpigmentation, this is supposed to help. It does have a nice scent to it. It reminds me of, that's what it is, peaches. Fresh peaches. You know how peaches, the ones you get like right off the food truck, and they just have that like really, really crisp smell to it. The even tone smells like peaches. I was trying to figure out, like, what does it smell like? It smells just like peaches. So this is really nice. At first I couldn't figure it out. I was like, what is that? It smells like peaches. Okay, yeah, that's what it smells like. Okay, I'm going to look at fresh. Fresh is the second one. And this smells, to me, just like coconut. It smells just like coconut. Shea Moisture has a hair product, and it's almost like curly cream, buttercream. It's a souffle or something like that. And this smells just like that cream. If you've ever used some of their products, this just smells strictly like coconut to me. And this last one, the moisturizing, okay, This smells really fresh to me. It almost smells like a bubble gum or like a cotton candy or something like that. So it's really, really fresh. So personally, I like all three of the Shea Moisture deodorants. And I think you should add these to your collection. All right. I want to talk about this one, y'all, because listen, I don't know, maybe because I was born in 1981. But baby, this reminded me of my mama when she used to come home from teaching, and it smells. She would always smell so good. My mom is a retired educator. She taught for 36 years in the Mississippi school system. This Billy, let me tell y'all something. You need to get you some Billy. Billy smells so good. Listen, this is called aluminum free 24-hour deodorant. No, 24-hour odor control. And it reads all day deodorant. I don't have a problem like with getting musty. I don't have anything like that. But I will say this. I have a big bosom. Okay. The Lord blessed me with some big boobs. Okay. And what that means is, you know, the girls, if you have a big bosom, you have to make sure that you have deodorant in the special places, because you get to sweating and stuff like that. So again, I don't really have that problem like with getting musty and stuff like that, but you just have to make sure you're covered. All right. And so Billy is really good. I really like this scent. It smells like Avon, or I can't put my finger on what it smells like, but it's like this. It reads that it does not have baking soda in it, but it's given like baby powder, like walking into a baby's room. You just cleaned your little baby. In my case, I have 2 nieces and a nephew, but you know, they're big kids now. But this smells like a newborn baby, kind of like, you know, I just had a baby. I have a 1-month-old in the house, and I'm cleaning my baby and putting powder on it. This smells so good. And I just love it because it's such a soft scent. You know, like if your man or whoever wanted to be up under you and y'all were like cuddling on the couch, he's gonna be like, you smell so damn good. So use this. I really like this. All right, those are my deodorants. I don't know why I'm kind of obsessed with deodorant. Yeah, but I am. I will buy anything out of the store. All right, so let me talk about my other 2 products, and then we'll get to the micro locks. I go to the dentist, and my dentist is through Vanderbilt Oral Health. So I go to Vanderbilt for my dentist, and I, you know, get my cleanings, and I try to stay up on all things, but they will tell you I'm not the best at doing all of that, especially like during this pandemic. They were like, where have you been? I'm like, I'm sorry, I'm a caregiver. I got life. Life is going. Life is life. All right. So these are 2 products that I swear by. My water pick, first of all, I love a good water pick. Water pick. Let me pronounce my fricatives and stops. I'm an English major. Water pick, not water pick. All right, this is my water pick, and this is my Oral-B Vitality toothbrush. I love these products. Get my little photo. Jeez. So you guys, if you are not using a water pick, it's okay. Just go right down to Walgreens, which is where I got this from, or go on Amazon, or go to your local Walmart and get a water pick. Your water pick is going to look like this. And I'm pretty sure y'all use these, or, you know, I'm not telling you nothing new. Y'all already know what's up. But what you do is you use a water pick in addition to flossing. You should still floss. And am I consistent with flossing like the regular way? No, I am not. And so that's why I have a water pick. So my dentist won't be, you know, getting on me when I go back in April. So I usually fill this up with water and Dr. Tishner's mouthwash. You can use Listerine, whatever you want to use. And so I just use this as a debridging agent to get anything, you know, out of the cracks and crevices of my teeth. I go in and floss X, Y, and Z. You know, you expel, and then I move on with the brushing. So just follow the instructions listed on the box. But this should last you for about a year. It says 1 year limited warranty. And, you know, you can switch these out. Give these as Christmas gifts, holiday gifts. I just love it. This cost $40, I think, $40. I can't really remember. But together, these were about 60 bucks. So think about getting a water pick to add to your personal hygiene routine, because it's so important for us, because sometimes it's really hard to get to the dentist and funds can be low. or a person may not have insurance. There are many reasons, and so you want to do all you can to help maintain, you know, your dental hygiene, because all of that contributes to your positive physical health. So get your water pick, and my favorite thing to use also is a rechargeable toothbrush. I don't use like a regular toothbrush anymore, and so the toothbrush looks like this. You can take these heads off and replace them and switch them out. This will last longer, but I just like replace this every maybe 6 months. If I feel like it, I'm just gonna throw it in, throw the whole thing in the garbage, you know, just get a new one because it's only 20 bucks. And so you can buy the replaceable heads from Amazon. I didn't get the Oral-B version when I bought my first toothbrush like this, and so I bought some. They were from Amazon, and I wouldn't recommend that you use those because they didn't give me that good feel. But the reason why I love this toothbrush so much, this Oral-B Vitality, and it comes in different colors. I think my mother has a pink one. Tim has a black one. My dad, when he was alive, he had a blue one. So we just get the different colors, and I've had different colors of this. It makes you feel like you just went to the dentist. It really, let me show you how it sounds. Okay. It really does give you that good clean. And my dental hygienist, Jody, is always saying, oh, you've been doing well. You know, they go in and do that little test to see how far, you know, if you are having like gum decay or anything. And so I'm always trying to be like 2s, 1s, 1s, 2s, maybe 3s, not 4s and 5s. And so that tells you, you know, how healthy your gums are. And so she's like, I can see that you've been brushing along your gum line. So my dental hygienist encourages me to brush along my gum line, in addition to flossing, in addition to, you know, obviously taking care of any other dental health issues you may have. So those are 2 products that I also like for my mouth. And so that's my those are my nuggets of wisdom on, you know, taking care of yourself, mind, body, and spirit. And I hope this helps someone. Pass this message along. All right, now to our micro locks.